Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Friday, June 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I definitely am still very bullish overall. I mean, yeah, it's going down on the sort of time frames, but I still think this is a WXY, which I still think is likely to go out to one of these higher Fibonacci levels and probably eventually take out these previous highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible wave one. I still think this is an ABC of two. I still think that this is likely on this weekly time frame to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave three, probably a wave three of C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. Definitely turning down pretty significantly. Some of the other dollar pairs actually look like they're actually just starting a wave too. So, I mean, there's a good chance that this might go down to one of these lower fib levels, take out the low of wave 4 before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. I still think there's probably likely a wave 1, a wave 2, and then eventually go up for a wave 3. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, definitely a big old pump and dump that we did this week. Little bit on the surprising side, but I mean, yeah, I mean, it definitely does happen. At this point, I would be watching the 78%, or I would be watching for it to make a spike reversal, which at this point, I really don't think that's the case. I think, if anything, especially looking at correlated pairs, it probably is going to go down. It probably is going to take out this low, and it's probably going to head down to one of those lower Fibonacci levels that I was showing on the daily time frame. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I would have to see a very impulsive move up and a nice break and hold above structure before I would think about going long. I mean, I still have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move, and I'm still looking at these fib levels, and I'm still looking at this as possibly being a correction. But at this point, it doesn't look very obvious that it's a correction. It looks like maybe it's just likely to keep on going down. So unless you do get a Fibonacci bounce and a nice clear break of structure, I personally would continue to look for sorts in a downtrend. I'd be looking for sorts at the end of every single pullback I see, unless I really do see a nice significant impulsive move up and a very nice break of structure, which we definitely don't see as of yet. So definitely don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.